have to evaluate the quality of your receiver. Okay, so these are the some parameters. That is your sensitivity. This is one of the most important parameters. Then selectivity and fidelity. Fidelity means the reception. That is means how your signal is exactly same as its original signal. So that is called the fidelity. That is the exact reproduction of the original one. So these are the three parameters, and one is your image frequency rejection. That is how good. So actually there are four parameters. Okay, so sensitivity, selectivity, and fidelity. Okay, so this fourth parameter is also there. काम कर रहा है भैया यार, स्टाफ वर्किंग, ये तो बड़ी प्रॉब्लम इसकी है. So the fourth parameter is also your slow. That is your image frequency rejection ratio. Okay, so that is another. तुम लोग को देख रहा स्लाइड में? तुम लोग को स्लाइड विजिबल है?
यस सर.
तुम लोग को आते करेगा तो सिग्नल तेज स्लो जा रहा है क्या इतनी देर में? तुम लोग की आवाज क्यों आ रही है? कुछ पता चला कि पढ़ाई रोके पर ऐसे में बोल के चला जाओ, तुमको पता नहीं चलेगा. So the sensitivity, that is the sensitivity means that the weak signals, the strength means the
सर आपकी आवाज कट बहुत रही है.
voltage levels, and electromagnetic means it is voltage level. So it is of the order of
सर
micro. यही तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ ना. हाँ बोलो बोलो.
यस सर,
आपकी
आपकी
voice
आवाज
हेलो.
बीच बीच में कट जाती है,
ये सिग्नल का
ब्रेक हो
प्रॉब्लम
जाती
है
है
क्या?
सर.
हाँ तो ये बताओगे तभी तो होगा ना. हाँ एक सेकंड रुको, फिर सिग्नल की जगह प्रॉब्लम है कुछ. फाइबर पे है कनेक्शन. ठीक है ना? इट्स ओके ना? ऑडियो
यस सर. यस ऑडियो फाइन.
ऑडियो इज आल्सो ठीक है. And then I told you that is अगर slide no बीच में बोलते रहना, slide नहीं change हुआ तो. So sensitivity I'm talking, that is the ability of the signal. It is the ability of the signal, because you know that is the signal strength is very very small, and each amplifier has its some minimum threshold. That is, if it is voltage is less than that, this amplifier will not receive it. Okay, because you know that all the signal diode have some threshold voltage. Okay, so if you have a diode less than 0.2 volts, it will not be received. Okay, and you know that is the signal in this case is not in order of volt, it is in order of microvolts. Okay, so that and as you move from your transmitting antenna, the signal in strength keep on reducing. Okay, so even if you find it in your a cell phone, that is if you your any cell phone antenna is not available close by, then you did not receive your signal. So that is the one of the issues of that, because as the distance from the transmitting antenna uh, increases, that is as signal travels it get distorted. Okay, that is strength reduces. This is the property of electromagnetic waves that you know already. How much distance it can travel, that is a formula is available, you can see from the wave propagation theory in your electromagnetic wave propagation from your book. So the fact is that is, so our receiver should be good enough to receive the very smallest signal. Okay. uh, so in laboratory, before actually uh, making the product out, it is measured in your laboratory. Okay, so the it is defined as the carrier voltage, that is the voltage level of your signal, which must be applied to the receiver input terminal to get standard output power at your terminals output power. So the output power must be there. The sensitivity is expressed in millivolt. uh, that is, this is the minimum voltage that will give you the standard signal. Now what should be a standard signal is advertisement. So for laboratory, we put an this is your receiver, and this is the output power. Okay, and this is the AM signal. You can measure it, and normally, uh, in laboratory it is measured at 30 power modulation index. That is M is 0.3, and the frequency that we use, because the for measurement the all other parameter has to be remain fixed. So this is the 30%, and frequency we keep at 400 hertz. Okay, and then we repeat the size, and this comes as this is the curve that we get, the sensitivity curve. So the sensitivity curve is that is, this is mid voltage level. It is an order of microvolt. This is the frequency, and so you see from this curve we get, this is the minimum voltage that can be received. The sensitivity is the minimum voltage level. Okay, so this is the minimum voltage at which we get the standard power. Okay, so that is normally we keep it 50 milliwatt. Okay, so 50 milliwatts, it may be anything, but normally if you let us say keep a 50 milliwatts, which is very easily audible. So you keep on changing the frequency and keep the voltage level changing, and you see at which frequency you are getting the 50 millivolts. So as you know, that is that the frequency is increasing, this curve will obviously change on. So here you are getting the minimum voltage that we say that is the frequency. Okay, now the same the frequency, this voltage sensitivity is low, that is the voltage required to get the standard output is high. Now this second parameter, that is your selectivity, right? So the selectivity uh, the selectivity means that is uh, it has to select only one particular signal that you want to receive. This is called the selectivity. Okay, it has to select only that radio station that you want to listen. So and in fact, in other way, you can say that it is selectivity means it is its ability to reject all other frequency. Okay, the selectivity means its ability to reject all other except one frequency. Okay, that is called the selectivity. So the selectivity obviously it depends on the IF amplifier. This is a tuned amplifier, we know that is, and quality factor. It shows how perfectly the receiver is able to select a desired carrier frequency and reject other frequencies. Okay, that is the so if you see the selectivity curve from here, you see that is the selectivity at this point. This is the attenuation. This is the attenuation means at different, this is the frequency response, this is the attenuation. So attenuation should be 0, right? So at this frequency, its attenuation is 0. That is the selectivity is best. So at this frequency, it will select only this frequency level. As we increase the frequency beyond both sides, right, then its attenuation increases. So here you see that attenuation is 100%. Here it see the attenuation 100%. At this frequency, attenuation is 40 dB, 60 dB. This is 100 dB. This is in dB attenuation. So the curve should be for sensitivity curve should be like this one. Okay, and that is, you know, that is the tuned amplifier. The tuned amplifier, this is actually the curve of a tuned amplifier. A tuned amplifier is that amplifier which allow only one particular frequency to pass and reject all other frequency. Okay, and I told you that the fidelity. So the fidelity means it is the ability of the radio receiver to reproduce all the modulating frequency equally. ठीक है ना? This is theoretically. Practically, as I told you, it is very, very difficult, but we try to make it as possible as we can. So it to reproduce all the modulating frequencies equally. Fidelity depends on the frequency response of the audio frequency amplifier, right? So actually, its frequency should be, now this is the frequency response curve of an amplifier, but actually it should be from 0. So this means you see that is from this portion, this frequency output is decreasing even beyond this range. So actually in this range it will work very good. However, beyond this range it will not work. Okay, however, ideally it should be for all frequencies. So that is the way how to increase this frequency range. Okay, so this is image frequency rejection. I have already told you. I think so there is no, ये और दिखाना तुमको था. या एक और रिसीवर तुमको था. This is FM receiver that was meant for your AM receiver. This is one FM receiver. So this is the block diagram for an FM receiver. In this receiver, you have few more blocks. ये RF mixer or IF तो as it is AM receiver, but you need one limiter circuit and one de-emphasis network. ठीक है ना? So in receiver circuits, you have to add only 2 extra circuit, that is a limiter circuit and de-emphasis circuit, because you need a pre-emphasis circuit in the transmitter. So the pre-emphasis we have to use a de-emphasis. The limiter circuit is very simple. Why we use a limiter circuit is that because in FM, you know, that is in FM the magnitude remains constant. To make the remove the any distortions introduced during transmission, we can simply use a voltage limiter. So if it is, let us say 5 volts, so 5 volts limiter you can push, that is even if the signal is less than 5 volt or more than 5 volt, it will automatically make it 5 volts. So that is called the voltage limiter circuit. In that way, this is the just to remove the signal. Okay. So FM receiver, I don't want to go the circuit for this FM receiver, इसको छोड़ दो, ठीक है ना. FM detector you have already learned. ये सारे हमने पढ़ा लिया आपको जो है, ठीक है ना, demodulation circuits में. So I think that is all about this your 4th units of your receiver circuit. But as I told you, that is this the most part of this circuit we have already discussed in your FM and AM demodulation in the unit first and second. So that we have already done it. So this unit is very simple, but it is also coming from your first and second units. Okay. और क्या रह गया? Amplitude limiter, that is, there is no point to discuss, already I have told you. Okay. So ये दिखा देता हूँ. This is a comparative study. ठीक है, तो ठीक है, that unit I am finishing over here. ठीक है ना, यूनिट खत्म हो जाएगा. इसमें थोड़ी चीजें तुम लोग पढ़ लेना. एक इसमें तुम लोग को ट्रांसमीटर अभी बताया कि नहीं बताया इसमें? हेलो,
नो सर.
ट्रांसमीटर को सर्किट पढ़ा दूंगा. ठीक है, चलो एक ट्रांसमीटर की सर्किट में पढ़ा दूंगा. ठीक है ना, उसमें ब्लॉक जाएगा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. And that I will finish this unit, and then we'll go for this last unit, that is your optical communication. ठीक है ना, तो मैं इसको आज यहीं खत्म कर रहा हूँ. देखिए तुम लोग पर जो any question if you want to ask, any queries? ठीक है, there is no question. As per usual तुम लोग क्वेश्चन कहाँ से पूछोगे?